have a new package from online store. This is a soldering lead, Ishikawa high quality solder, 0.8 mm in size, 60/40, 60 lead, 40 tin, 1 roll, rosin cord solder. Okay, Ishikawa soldering lead. It is used for soldering. The size is 0.8 mm. Let us see the size. So this is soldering lead, 1 roll. And then we have is 8-pin IC socket. 8-pin. Okay. It is used to mount an IC. Usually 555 timer and the op amps is placed at the top. So this is an IC socket, 8 pins. It is 20 pieces. 4, 6. Okay, 20 pieces. IC socket. Then we have this switch. This is supposedly a latch switch. So this is a latch switch, or sometimes called a toggle switch. It latches. Okay, when you push it, it will close the switch. This is a long handle. When you push it, it will become short. because it latches. It has 6 pin. When you press it, it will become short. The handle becomes short. So this is a latch switch. 10 pieces. Latch. 6 pin. This is normally closed when you when you press it, it will close, and then when you press it again, it will open the switch. Another one, we have this it is a Bluetooth module or Bluetooth speaker. Stereo type. Bluetooth module. Micro USB. Then for the speaker, the Bluetooth antenna. Okay, for Bluetooth speaker, a Bluetooth module. Then we have a booster. It can boost the voltage level from low to high. So this is a voltage booster. Then we have this gyroscope, accelerometer with 8 pins. So this is a gyroscope accelerometer. It is used for 3-axis gyroscope for gimbal and for balancing the circuit or the tissues to measure angular velocity. So we have now the booster, voltage booster, the sensor MTU 6050, which is a gyroscope for balancing a circuit, and then a latch switch, soldering lead, the Bluetooth and IC pin socket. So these are our new components and modules to be used in our project.